It is important as a small business to have a system to track your tasks. You wouldn't do your accounting on paper, or at least I hope not. So why are you managing your goals here? So write down all the features and functions that you want in a system. What views do you need? Do you need to be able to attach files? What's your price point? Everyone is different. Every team is different. So make sure to focus on what really matters to you. And it might just be you right now, but don't be short-sighted. In the future, you'll have a team, I assume. Whether it's contractors, part-time help, a full-time staff, either way, that transition will be so much easier if you have a system to track your tasks already in place. Now, once you have your list of requirements, search for task or project management system comparisons. There are lots of articles breaking down all the features of many popular tools. This is going to help you narrow down and eliminate some options. Now, if you know any fellow business owners, talk to them about what they use and why they like it. This will help you in your decision as well. Once you have a list of tools that might work, look up those websites and watch their promo videos. I'm guessing you'll eliminate a few more options after seeing them in action. So the goal is to get it down to your top 2, maybe 3 tools, and then try them each out for 1 full week. Put in all your tasks and run through that week using that tool. I'm guessing at the end you'll gravitate towards one. Stick to it for at least 3 months. After 3 months, you might realize the features that you thought were important aren't really a big deal. You can always repeat this process, but it's important to give a true trial. The main goal is to have one tool at the end where your tasks reside for you and your team. Keep in mind during this process that unless you are building and designing a tool specifically for you and your business, you probably won't get every single thing you want, but decide what things are important and leave the rest as a bonus.